Hey guys, welcome back, and this is going to be a sponsored bag video from renabag.com. Don't worry, the website will be linked down below, okay? So I'm going to show you guys this beautiful bag that was sent to me, and it did come FedEx. It did come in some awesome packaging. Everything is packaged and sealed. I still have it in the plastic. We're going to open the plastic, and we're going to get into it. Now, the discount code is Renee, R-E-N-E-E. It will give you 10% off your purchase if you use my link to purchase from their website, okay? So we're going to get into the details of this absolutely beautiful bag. Let's see which bag I was sent and what it's all about. All right, my love, so I have it out of the plastic. And as you can see here, this is going to be a pretty nice size bag, okay? This is going to be a pretty nice size bag. I am looking at the details here, and this is the Louis Vuitton CarryAll Monogram Empreinte bag. Okay, so this is going to be a pretty big bag. Don't worry, the description and everything is going to be down below. So this is an absolutely beautiful bag. Hardware on the bottom. As you can see here, I'm going to get you guys a better look at this bag. Okay, so before I go into the details of the bag, the strap was inside the bag. And also, you guys, the smaller pouch is inside the bag. So this is the smaller Louis Vuitton pouch that was inside the bag. So if you just wanted to carry this out, or if you wanted to put your essentials like your makeup and everything in the bag, you can do that with the smaller bag. So I absolutely love it when you get two for the price of one. So I'm going to turn the camera around so we can get into the details of the bag. Yay! So on to the details of the bag, you guys. This is a beautiful, sturdy bag. So we're going to get into details on the side. You do have a little hook here on this side, and then the material blocking goes down here and also on the other side. They also covered the feet, but this bag does come with the feet. So when you put your bag down, you're not just putting it down on the bag. So you have to take the paper off on the bottom. The detail on this bag is just immaculate. If you can see it there, it is absolutely beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. The little Louis Vuitton thing that goes on here is in that plastic bag there. You have your gold hardware here to put the strap on. So I have to put the straps on. You have a gold zipper to zip up the bag. And the inside is a beautiful, beautiful baby blue. Let's get that blue out there. There we go. Absolutely beautiful baby blue. And look at the detail on this bag. It is nice, you guys. Absolutely nice. And then on the inside, you have two pockets. Two pockets here and a zipper. And it does have the Louis Vuitton label on the inside right there. Two pockets and a zipper. This bag is big enough. This is a carry-all. So if you don't know much about a carry-all, this is big enough for travel. This is big enough to be, if you want it to be your everyday bag, you can. I know that I have used bags like this as diaper bags when I had my kids and my grandkids. This will be their diaper bag. It will hold everything. If you are a businesswoman, you can step out in class with this bag. This bag will hold your laptop, your iPad, your notebook, your pens and pencils, your AirPods, and all of your tech essentials, okay? Overnight bag. Yes, we're going overnight. We're going to see that special someone, or we're going to go chill with our homegirl overnight, you know, have some drinks with her and do an all-night girls' night sleepover. This is what you want to show up with, okay? And this is probably what I'm going to use it for. Travel, overnight bag, you know, going somewhere, and this is what I want them to see me walk in with. This is what I want to pull my stuff out of. You know, if I'm going out of town, I can put my laptop, my iPad, all my essentials in here. And when I get ready to sit down to that business meeting in that conference room or wherever I need to meet them up at, this is what I'm pulling out. Class, okay? Beauty, okay? It's absolutely beautiful, sturdy, cloth-like inside material. All right, you have a hook here for your keys or whatever you may want to put there. And there, like I said, is also a hook on the outside. And then there was some extra essentials in the plastic package there. So I'm super excited. I love it because it's not every day that you get a small bag that you need to use when you don't want to carry a big bag, and then a big bag that you can pull out when you really need. This is a statement piece. This is a statement piece. This is not just for anything, y'all. This is a statement piece. Now, if you carry big bags on a daily, then you're going to want to carry this, okay? You're going to want to carry this. If you carry big bags every day, this is what you want, all right? Let's take a look at their website in case you see something else that interests you, and you can use my coupon code. All right, you guys, we are on the website, and like I said, this is the Louis Vuitton CarryAll. This is the one that I have right here. It is the big one. There are smaller ones. Like I also said, there is a link and coupon code down below. Let's go check out some of their other products that they have. They have Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Dior. They have bags galore, okay? They have your welcome there if you need to message them. They do have WhatsApp. All of that is going to be down in the beauty bar down below. Oh, I love a nice bucket bag. I mean, I think every woman loves a nice bucket bag. They have Chanel, Hermes, Dior, YSL, Prada, Fendi, Givenchy, Burberry, and much more. So we're going to click on Chloe. Here are some of the Chloe bags. Very nice, high quality bags, okay? So you definitely want to check that out. Now, they also have shoes. They are showing here that they have Louis Vuitton shoes, Gucci shoes, YSL shoes. Let's click on some of the shoes. I saw Tom Ford back there. Absolutely awesome. Let me get you guys some more details on the website. And like I said, you can click the link down below and be able to scroll through for yourself. But I want you guys to see what they have. They also have jewelry, bracelets, rings, sunglasses, necklaces. Here are some of the necklaces. They have the Chanel necklaces, the Chanel pearl necklaces. They have shades. Oh, I love that. Look at this necklace, y'all. Look at this beautiful Dior necklace for $70. Beautiful Dior necklace down from $100 to $70. And you can use my coupon code because y'all know I love to give you guys a coupon. And let's check out the scarves. We're getting into that time of the year where we want to look fashionable. It's getting cold. We're going into Christmas, winter, fall. Absolutely beautiful scarves. Definitely want to check that out. Everything is going to be down below, you guys, and I'm also going to show you guys this bag. Even though I'm not going to carry it as a regular bag, I'm going to carry it as a carry-all. I am going to show you this bag with the straps on, paired up with an outfit, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so I put the hardware on the bag. There was a strap in there that came on the zipper part, and I put the straps on the bag. And so I just wanted to show you guys that if you're going to carry this as an everyday bag, it is a pretty big bag, but it is definitely a statement piece, okay? Don't get it twisted. It's definitely a statement piece. If you wanted to carry it as your work bag, if you're trying to get to the plane and you got your other bag, you're good to go. This can also be the bag that you take on the plane. You know, when we go on the airplane, we have a lot of essentials that we want to take on the plane with us. And you do get, 2 carry-ons on the plane? So here you go. Everything you need can be in this bag. And do not forget, we got the little pouch here. So if you want your ID, your money, your cards, and all that kind of stuff to be in your pouch, you can do that. Put that in there. You can also, just so you don't lose this pouch, if this was something you were going to keep your ID and everything in, you can clip it to the little clip that's inside the bag. There's a clip and a hook inside the bag, and you can just hook this right on there, and that way you cannot lose this. This is not going anywhere, okay? Seminar, conference, those of you who go out of town to conferences and you got to go to the conference room. I know before, when I used to go to seminars and conference with my job, you know, I'm taking snacks, I'm taking everything. I'm taking some socks for my feet because every conference room you go in is cold. I'm taking a sweater, like everything you need to have in here. You need your charger and your portable charger, okay? probably a backup phone, your iPad. Everything you need can fit in this bag. And at the same time, like I said before, we're definitely making a statement with this piece. This is beautiful. It feels beautiful, it looks beautiful, and it wears beautifully. So you guys definitely go over, check out the website, anything that you want. Feel free to use my coupon code. If you do purchase anything or you follow me on Instagram or anywhere else, go ahead and tag me in your purchase and tag the company in your purchase so that they can know that you are sporting whatever you like from their website. From scarves to shades to shoes to jewelry, handbags, clothes. Check it out. Okay, I got you. I got you. All right. Go on and check it out. And thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you to the company Renee Bags for letting me show off one of your beautiful statement pieces. And hopefully in the future, I can bring you guys more products from their websites. Thank you guys for watching. Click, tag, share, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.